Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Necee. Welcome. Be sure to show your girl some support by hitting that subscribe button as well as giving this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm doing my Boxy Charm unboxing, and this is actually the look that I ended up coming up with. Super fun, festive, and cute. I really enjoyed it. Actually, I really enjoyed this month's box overall. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, before we get into the box, I just quickly want to give a shout out to Vital Energy. They were super kind enough to gift me these mints, and what's super cool about these mints is not only do they taste like regular old mints, but they are caffeinated, so they give you a boost of energy along with freshening your breath. I literally just opened them. I have wintergreen in my mouth right now. It literally tastes just like a regular mint. I'm hoping that does give me some type of energy because I'm filming this video right now pretty late. It's 10:28. Yeah, it's a little late. I've had a long day, so I need all the energy I can get. So let's just go ahead and get into the box now. I just quickly wanted to give them a shout out. Thank you so much, Vital Energy, for reaching out to me and gifting me these mints. I can't wait to try out the rest of the flavors, and I'll let you guys know down below if these mints actually do end up giving me like that boost of energy or if they're just regular old mints. We'll just see if like this video is all over the place, if I have too much energy. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get into the Boxy Charm unboxing. This month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. And if you guys are new to Boxy Charm, basically they are a beauty subscription box where they send you 4 to 5 full-size products for only $21 a month. Another great thing about Boxy Charm is that these little cards have all the information on the back of each product, which I love because then it's kind of just like a little summary of everything. So as you guys can tell, I basically did my face makeup. I did take a little bit of a glance into the box so that way this video isn't like hella long or anything like that. The first product that I'm just going to pull out here is going to be this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It says that it's a loose powder highlight, and I have mine in the shade Summer Haze. I will say I love this packaging. It's kind of like a marble effect, and as you guys can see on my channel, I love marble, just black and white in general, and I love that it's like black, white, and gold. Like there's like a touch of gold with the name. I've actually never used a loose highlight before, so I'm a little scared. Alright, so it comes like this. How do I take this off? Y'all, I'm hella confused. This product is full size. It retails for $27. Basically, it says that this is a all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight. It's a versatile formula that's highly pigmented, suitable for all skin tones, and it creates a subtle, luminous finish or layer of an unreal glow. So that's exciting. Love that they're vegan and cruelty-free. That's always a good thing. All right, so there it is right there. I actually don't mind this packaging. This is actually a cool concept because then, you know, when you put the lid on it, usually the powder just goes everywhere, but then if you just turn it, you're able to stop it from going everywhere. So that is the product there. I'm super excited. When I first put it on, it's literally like, ooh, so you gotta blend that bad boy out. I don't want to put too much, so. Whoa, do you guys see that? Like, can you guys notice the difference? It's like, ah, crickets, ah, crickets. Oh my gosh, this is dangerous. Like, I could go too far with it. I put way too much in this cap. Who did I think I was? We'll just put a little bit everywhere, why not? I'm just gonna make sure I'm blending this. Now I feel like this side needs a little bit more. Okay. Do you guys ever do that? It's kind of like eyeliner, like you keep going back and forth with your eyes, but instead you're going back and forth with your highlighter, and then all of a sudden you're like, and you're like super effing highlighted. Yeah, I've definitely done that multiple times. All you have to do is just kind of get your beauty blender and just pat over it to kind of give it more of like a natural effect, but not really natural because obviously we're still going to the gods. Guys, I love it. Like, look. What? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, you know what? Since I have like my shoulders out, I love to bring my highlight down and just kind of, yes. We'll just do a little. Look at that. Now we're beaming, guys. Yes, it looks like I was like doused in oil. You know what? I'm just gonna hit like right here too. Whoa. Okay, definitely know what I'm gonna be highlighting with for a while. And like when you look at it up close and personal, guys, it doesn't look like you put highlighter on. It literally looks like my skin is gleaming. Like, this is great. It's crazy how like the little things can make you this happy. All right, so the next couple of things I'm gonna pull out from this box is actually these brushes, this palette, and this eyeliner, because I'm gonna do them all at once. Alright, so first off we have the Per Festival palette. It says this palette has boho inspired metallic eye-catching glitters. It's cruelty free and infused with skin loving ingredients. Alright, so oh wait, there's something in there. What's that? Oh, it's an eyeshadow primer? Get a grip. Lock your eyeshadow in place with this high performance eyeshadow primer. Ooh, okay, so I guess because this is an unboxing I should try this. And then here is the palette. Oh wow, and it has a mirror. Girl. Super fun and festive. The next thing that we also got that I'm also going to use while I do my eye makeup are these brushes. Now these brushes are from Luxie. They are cruelty-free premium handcrafted brushes. So we have the 512, which is a small contour brush. We have the 209, which is a large shader brush. And then we have 245, which is a small shader brush. They feel pretty soft and nice. And these brushes retail for $28. $9 a brush, not that bad at all. And these are super cute. And then alongside that eyeliner here, which is the Beauty For Real Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner. This Finish Line 24/7 liquid liner is a mistake-proof pen. It also says that it's 24-hour smudge and budge resistant wear. That's interesting. And this retails for $16. It's obviously a full-size product. All right, so since this is just like an unboxing, it's not really a tutorial or anything like that, I'm just gonna go to a montage of me doing my eye makeup using these products. Then I'll be right back and I'll let you guys know how I feel about everything. Oh, it's pretty sticky, guys, which is good. Honestly, so far I'm impressed. Like, it's pretty pigmented and it's blending really nicely. But I've only used one shade so far, so let me not get ahead of myself. Do you guys see that? Alright guys, I finished my eye look. Basically, my overall review, I love this palette. The only thing is, I did try to use this glitter from my inner corner and it is a bit chunky, so I'm not sure about that, but the mattes worked pretty well for me. They actually performed pretty excellent, I would say. They're really pigmented and they blended really well and smoothly. And then the metallic shades that are in here, I only used 2 of them. I didn't spray my brush at all or anything. I wanted to see how it performed without it, and it still came up really nicely on my eyelids. I actually really love this look, like, so much. Yes. So cute. I did use these brushes. I used this one to just kind of wipe away underneath my eyes. I used this one to apply the eyeshadow primer. And then I used this one to apply the metallics. I tried to use this for the glitter, and then I also used this for my waterline. So yeah, I really, really loved this palette. The brushes were nice as well. And then I loved this liner as well. I don't know if it's the way that I'm pulling off the cap, but I keep getting black all over my hands. So that's the only thing, but I actually really did like this liner. I didn't wing it out today or anything like that because I didn't feel like this look needed a wing. It went over the metallic and the glitter really well. You know, sometimes when you apply liquid liner and you have to kind of like put the cap back on, shake it, and just like kind of go over it because it's not as pigmented. This surely is. This is really freaking black and it went on really nicely. And I will say, I mean, it said that it was, what did it say? Oh, it says that it was mistake proof pen, and I'm not gonna say that it's mistake proof, but I feel like this is easier to handle compared to other liquid liners. Like, you know, sometimes some other ones are just so like fragile and like one little movement and all of a sudden your liner's messed up. You know how that all goes. So I really enjoyed this. Now the last product that came in my Boxy Charm box was this here, and this is actually the Steve Laurant lip gloss. 1 part balm, 3 parts silk. It says that it's formulated with a creamy lip softening texture. One of a kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just 1 swipe. And I have mine in the shade Champagne, so let's hope that this goes with my look. So I'm just gonna go in straight with this and just see if it's like, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I need a lipstick. 1 second. Alright, so I just went ahead and popped on Velvet Teddy by MAC, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this gloss. I love me a glossy lip. This gloss is such a pretty color, and it's not sticky or tacky. It's really comfortable. I can glide my lips. It literally does feel like a balm, which is crazy. Wow, I need to look into this brand. Wow, I actually am impressed with this month's box because I actually like every single product, like literally every single product, which so far that hasn't happened. There's been at least one item that I was kind of like, So yeah, those are all the products that I received in this month's box. We got 5 full-size products that actually total up to $129, and I only paid 21 bucks. So that's definitely a steal. I wonder each month how they do it. It literally blows my mind. I can definitely feel that mint kicking in, by the way, guys. Now it is currently 11:40 and I am up. I'm definitely gonna have to take a bath or something so I can calm myself down so I can go to bed tonight, because yeah. Anyways, if you guys want to see some tutorials with this palette, definitely let me know, because there is a bunch of fun colors that I would love to play with, and I really enjoyed this palette, so I wouldn't mind playing with it a little bit more. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!